Hello Cut Buddy, I'm here to show you a new product called the MiniBuddy. It's a trimmer and clipper and it fits in your palm. The MiniBuddy is a very small trimmer, but it packs the power of a crazy punch like Mike Tyson. So I'm gonna show you what comes with the trimmer, how it looks, how it feels, and how it works. So the MiniBuddy comes in a box. Inside the box, you will find the MiniBuddy encased in here. The first thing you'll see is the MiniBuddy trimmer. The MiniBuddy trimmer is very small. Look at this. It's the size of my pointer finger. It's about 4 inches long, 1 inch wide, and it has a T-blade on it. Once you press the power button, you will see a green light turn on. This light will change color based on if you're charging or if it's running out of battery. The cool thing about this trimmer is that it packs a punch because it's zero gapped. Check out the blades. The blades are zero gap, meaning that the guard blade and the cutting blade are even, meaning that when it's trying to cut your hair and edge up your hair, it's gonna be sharp and smooth like a sword. So this is the MiniBuddy. It's gold, very small, ready to go. All right, let's talk about some of the accessories that come with the MiniBuddy. It's just not a trimmer, it's a clipper as well. So let's talk about some of the other things that come with this. So once you open the pack, you're gonna see that it comes with 4 guards. The 4 guards that it comes with are color coded. You'll see that it comes with a small guard all the way up to a 1 inch guard. Traditionally, you don't get a trimmer that comes with a 1 inch guard but many of you have longer beards or longer hair and you're trying to use a trimmer to also be a clipper or a fader, so we wanted to add in the 1 inch option. So to attach a guard, all you have to do is find the groove and the blade and you go ahead and match it up to the guard, stick it in, and then pop at the back. It's easy to go. So it's a 1 inch guard. It's not traditional for many trimmers, and this will really help you out with your longer beards or your longer hairstyles. Some of the other sizes that it comes with that are color coded are going to be your 2mm guard. This is a 2mm guard, so that's for your smaller beards, your smaller hairstyles. And then we also have a 1mm guard. It also comes with a 3mm guard. All right, so these guards are going to be for more of your fades or your shorter haircuts, and then the 1 inch guard is going to be for your longer haircuts. Let's go ahead and see how it works with the shorter guards. So once you press the power button, you're going to get a green color for the first speed, but the MiniBuddy packs power to have 2 speeds. When you press it again, you're gonna have a blue signal for double the speed. This is if you want to get really sharp lines and more RPMs out of the MiniBuddy. So once again, it's a green, and then you press it again for a blue, and you have 2 speeds on the MiniBuddy. Some of the other accessories that come with the MiniBuddy are your standard oil. Every time you cut your hair, you want to oil blades. After you cut your hair, you want to clean these blades and you also want to oil them. It'll make your trimmer hit sharper and last longer. So it's going to come with this oil. Another thing that it's going to come with to keep your trimmer and clipper clean is going to be one of the standard cleaning brushes. So after and before every cut, you want to brush out every hair and you want to add oil to the blades. The MiniBuddy is very easy to charge. The MiniBuddy comes with a USB-C extended cord. The MiniBuddy also comes with a USB dock where you can plug in this USB-C and you can plug it into your standard wall. The USB takes on the voltages of 120 in the United States, but the USB can also take on the voltages of European Union or Europe nations. Once you plug in the charger, you're gonna see a flashing red symbol, and that means it's charging. Once it's done charging, it's going to turn green. So the MiniBuddy is obviously a T-blade trimmer. If you're trying to do those edge ups, you turn it on and you can get down as close as you want. All right, slices right through like butter. But if you want to add on a guard, it's great for fading and larger haircuts. So we're gonna go ahead and put on the 1-inch guard for those of you that have a long beard or longer hair that want to do a taper or a fade or just level down your hair to 1 inch.